Here we are on the Grand Princess from P238. It's a standard ocean view room. And we enter and we've got a closet. Fairly small, but it's adequate. Got some room on the top for shelves. Over on this side, we've got another slim closet with shelves. The room safe is super easy to operate. There we go. And swinging around, a tour of the bathroom. There's a full-size mirror on the back of the door. A couple of hooks for bathrobes. The bathroom's got 3 shelves. There's the vanity. It's got one of the outlets that are supposed to be for razors only. We bring a night light for the bathroom. It helps at night. That way you don't have to flip on the switch. The shower is really small, but it's adequate. And of course it's got soap and shower gel. We're gonna head back out into the room. And we've got a thermostat. The room was nice and cool last night, the way we like it. We've got a desk with shelves and 3 drawers. We've got a blow dryer, a couple of standard outlets down here, US outlets. We've got a refrigerator that I have not even looked at down below. And then we've got the lamps have got USB ports in the base. And some of these videos that I've seen, the window was pretty cloudy looking out. This one's really nice and clear. I haven't had a room like this before, but it's actually really cool to be down here closer to the water level. And that's pretty much about it to this room, folks. There's not a lot here, but it is adequate. Have a great day. Okay, here we are aboard the Grand Princess cruise ship, December 2021, and something I wanted to show you guys is the shower head, which I haven't seen on any other ship. It tilts up, it tilts over, it tilts away. When you're in a shower that's this size, it really helps that you can manipulate that shower head so that you can get the top of your head, you can get the back of your body. Pretty nice, probably one of the best ones that I've seen on any ship so far. This is pretty amazing stuff. Come check it out, Clark. Okay, climb up on the bed with me. There you go. Check it out. Yeah. Lots of waves. This room has been really great for watching the rough seas. The semi-rough seas. I don't know what you'd call this, but it's super cool. And knock on
Steel.
wood. No seasickness. But we are pretty low in the ship. I think if we were higher, we would probably be feeling it a little bit more. But this is really, really cool to watch. Wow. That's really amazing. All right, there we have it. Grand Princess, December 2021. Going back.
Happy holidays,
Yeah,
everyone.
holidays. Heading into Los Angeles. Don't offend people. You're supposed to say
I'm not
Merry Christmas.
I
Merry Christmas. Here we are heading back into LA. And the cold.
bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cash out your winnings from your player bank this evening. At 8 p.m. join your
Ooh.
for a fun music trivia tonight, celebrating soul music from the Motown era in their very own Motown and soul music trivia.
Itself has a helper, you know that?
Yeah.
At 7 and 9 p.m. tonight, we welcome you to the Princess Era.
Oh, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, wow. We just went up,
We just
and here we go.
changed like.
Oh my.
Oh,
Wow.
here's
Wow, wow, wow.
here's a big
Oh.
one. Here's a big one.
Wow. Oh my goodness. No, I was not in seas this rough going to Alaska. It was never like this that I know of anyway.
Where we're gonna have a wave party after dinner.
If we had a suite this low, we
It's
could have a wave
really-
party.
Yeah, we're moving in. It's oh, look at that.
Shh, you mini Christmas. Oh, come on. Let's see a big one. That was the first time I'd seen one flash across the windows, though.
I know, they're huge. This one.
Oh, this
right
one.
here, right here, right here. Boom.
Oh. There's the captain.